Now, friends, let's dissect this charming little phrase, shall I? It's the way of asking permission or getting someone's input on whether we should do something. Now, let's look at how this phrase works grammatically. It's a perfect example of English word order in a question. Take the sentence, shall I eat this apple? Let's dissect it. Shall I? This is our starting point, the auxiliary verb and pronoun forming the subject of the sentence. It's like the foundation of our question. Eat is the primary verb and the action we are thinking about, and it should be in the present tense. It is at the core of the question. This apple, this is the rest of the sentence, giving us the context of the action. So, there you have it. These elements combine beautifully to create a grammatically sound question in English. Shall I drink this water? Shall I play cricket? Shall I help you? Shall I come tomorrow? Shall I come tomorrow? Shall I come with you? Shall I come with you? Shall I speak to the doctor? Shall I speak to the doctor? Shall I take your pen? Shall I take your pen? Shall I inform him about this incident? Shall I inform him about this incident? Shall I wait until he comes? Shall I wait until he comes? Shall I buy you an ice cream? Shall I buy you an ice cream? Shall I convey this message to him? Shall I convey this message to him? Shall I make a complaint against him? Shall I make a complaint against him? Shall I bring you something to eat? Shall I bring you something to eat? Let's explore how to respond to this type of question. First, we'll concentrate on positive replies. If someone asks questions beginning with, shall I, simply respond with, yes. To be more welcoming, you might say, yes, you may. It feels a bit friendlier, doesn't it? We now move on to the negative responses. Read with me and learn. Shall I come tomorrow? Don't come tomorrow. Come the day after tomorrow. Shall I put on the fan? Don't put on the fan. Open the window. Thank you for participating in today's English learning video. I appreciate your time and hope you found the lesson helpful. Please like this video, subscribe for more lessons, and let us know what topics you want to see next in the comments. Happy learning with ProWrite English!